Hi, we are Team 5. So our project idea is basically a smart card. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to implement the concept of Internet of Things to make your shopping smart. So what we plan on doing is we place a Bluetooth beacon on all of the aisles of a supermarket, and we have a Bluetooth receiver on board your shopping cart. So whenever you stop at a certain place to buy some things, we can detect that you have stopped. Then we ship the data out to the server and make some recommendations based on that data. So I will explain you about how the hardware works for this. So what we are doing is, so we use this BLE beacons, which are low power Bluetooth beacons, and we place them everywhere on every shelf of the supermarket. These beacons transmit some data in the Eddystone or the iBeacon format, so we are using the iBeacon format. Also on the card we are using a HM11 Bluetooth receiver with the Feather Haza board. So the firmware on the Bluetooth receiver just returns to us the ID of the nearest beacon, and we are using the Feather Haza board to upload that in the form of a JSON to the server.
We've made a dummy data set to run all these algorithms. The dummy data set has 10 categories of items and 10 brands per item. So we have 100 items in total. And so whenever we get the beacon ID, we know that the person is either shopping milk or bread or whatever. So if we are taking a similarity matrix between all the brands of milk or bread wherever the customer is, and we are able to give suggestion of a lower price or say a better offer or a special offer. And the second algorithm that we run on top of this is that we are making a static map of all the beacon IDs and the aisle rows and aisle columns, and we are able to tell the customer that if your suggestion of bread is here, then you should go straight by 4 and left by 3, or right or backward, however. So it is also navigating the customer to the suggestion that we're providing them with. And the third thing that we're providing them with is a suggestion of what other thing that they can buy. Like if, for example, if you're buying bread, it's a good option that you should look at butter. This is based on a machine learning algorithm called a priori algorithm. It is a bottom-up algorithm which selects the frequent item sets and makes candidates from it. And then once we give a minimum support, it's able to generate good rules from it, which say that okay, if you've bought bread, you should buy butter. If you've bought milk, you should buy cereal. And this is what we are using to make recommendations to our customer. We are doing it dynamically, so that if he's bought bread, butter, and then he can tell them to also buy say jam, because he's probably making a sandwich.
So as my teammate Shreya just said, we are just running all of those machine learning algorithms on the crowd. So we need to send that data somehow to the end user. So that's where the Android app comes in. So as you can see, so we just designed an Android app for that. So the Android app says that you just stopped at the cereal sections. So it's making a suggestion that you should buy Cheerios or Cookie Crisps or something like that, and it's telling you that it has a cheaper option available, or there's a special brand available for the Cookie Crisps. Also, there's the third field, which is the recommendation. So that is just saying that like the algorithm thinks that you are doing some breakfast shopping. So if you bought some cereals, you would also want some juice. Um, so we could actually see this in action right now. So this is the Amazon EC2 server which we have running on this laptop, and this is the Haza with the beacon which is running on this laptop. So this was the beacon which was simulating the aisle number for the cereals. So if we change it with this another beacon, then and then we get a request on the EC2 server, and when we hit refresh on the app, we can see that you have now moved to the beef section, and so it's making another suggestions dependent on it. So it's based on your history which you just bought right now. It also says that you should buy vegetables which are available in column 10.